Hi, here are a few dialogues between a student and a teacher in different scenarios. First one is asking for clarification. Let's start learning.
Excuse me, teacher. I didn't quite understand the last concept you explained.
That's perfectly fine. I'm here to help. Could you please specify which part you're having trouble with?
It's about the equation you used to solve the problem.
Ah, I see. Let me go over it again.
Second dialogue is about discussing an assignment.
Class, you have an assignment due next week on the topic of historical events. Remember to include at least 3 primary sources in your research.
Excuse me, teacher. Could you clarify what you mean by primary sources?
Of course. Primary sources are original documents or artifacts from the time period you're studying. This could include diaries, letters, photographs, or official records.
Thank you, that helps. I'll make sure to include those.
Third dialogue is feedback on a presentation.
Hi, teacher. I'd like some feedback on my presentation.
Of course. I thought you did a great job. Your research was thorough, and you explained the concepts clearly.
Thank you. Is there anything specific I could improve on for next time?
One suggestion is to try and maintain eye contact with the audience a bit more. It helps in keeping them engaged.
Got it. I'll work on that. Thanks for the feedback.
Fourth dialogue is asking for help.
Excuse me, Miss Johnson. I'm having some trouble with the math homework.
No problem. Let's take a look. Which specific problem is giving you difficulty?
It's problem number 5. I'm not sure how to approach it.
All right, let's work through it together.
Fifth dialogue is discussing a group project.
Hey, we need to start planning our science project.
Definitely. Let's talk to Mr. Davis about our idea.
Hi, Mr. Davis. We have a project idea on renewable energy sources.
That sounds great. Make sure to include research, experiments, and a presentation.
We'll definitely do that. Thanks.
Sixth dialogue is asking about graded assignments.
Excuse me, Mr. Thompson. I noticed you handed back our essays. Could you explain my grade?
Of course. I'll be happy to go over it with you. I thought your analysis was strong, but there were a few areas that needed more detail.
I see. Could you show me which parts you're referring to?
Certainly. Let's look at your introduction. It's not up to the mark.